Do you want to be able to fix TikTok direct message option not showing? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and actually apply all of these steps that I'm going to show you for it to work, basically. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here. And then you need to come to your profile. Now, when you're on your profile, then the first step is going to be for us to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to firstly click on settings. So click on settings. Now I'm just going to scroll down in here until I can see where it says reports a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on reports a problem, very important. Just going to load, and perfect. Now you should be taken here. What I'm going to do now is to just scroll down in here, and then we're going to click on direct message in here. So just going to load. Then as you can see, it says like there's a couple of options in here. You need to click where it says unable to send direct messages. Then click on no in here. Then click on need more help. Just going to load, and perfect. Now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is great. Now you need to write exactly like this to the TikTok support to make this work. Basically, I'm going to write I am currently missing the TikTok direct message option on my account. I need this fixed. So basically, you need to write exactly like this to their support. I am currently missing the TikTok direct message option on my account. I need this fixed. Now, when you're done, of course, you also need to click on submit. And now you might wonder what happens after this. And that is a great question. What happens after this is that you will need to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to see this. And hopefully, after that, this issue will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And I wish you the best day.